Hello and welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video, we're going to be assembling the Vickers Infantry tank. Now this one comes in two different options. There's going to be two listings. One is for this AT turret and the one with this interesting arrangement of MG turrets. Assembly video, of course, applies to both. All right, so go ahead and clip away here. We're not done clipping away quite yet the sprues. There's these little things here, the MGs essentially. So be careful removing that. There you go. Now, this one comes with two MGs. You don't need to remove the supports and plastic from the second one if the first one ends up being a success. Now let's work on these ones. Yeah, be careful with this because it's pretty delicate, especially if you're working with a smaller scale. There you go. Clipping away is done now. Let's start to glue this tank together. So here we go. Here's this piece. Let's put this piece on here. And this, attach this top thing there. Very good, that's done. And then we're going to add this piece to the bottom here. So, essentially, there you go. And, alright, so then, let's get this piece on there. Alright, so that's the way that is. Should let that glue. Let's glue these tracks together. So put some glue here. Great, and now do the other side. Excellent. Well, while all that's going, let's go ahead and put these turrets together. Put this cylinder in the center of the turret. That turret is done for that version of the tank. And by the way, I still need to remove the plastic from underneath this gun here. There you go. Now we can glue his turret together. This turret is not quite done. Let's put some glue there. And let's put this little MG like that. Pretty much like that. Which means the second MG you can just put in your bit spin or something. Alright, let's glue these tracks on to the main tank. So, pretty much like this. Very good. Now let's do the other side. Alright, so that's great. We got it. It's done. Now, here's the turret, and this is the Vickers Infantry tank. It's available at miniaturetanks.com. It comes in 2 different versions, 2 different kit listings. Thank you so much for watching.